So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download steamapi.dll. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. You want to get the latest version. It's going to be the one on the top. You want to click on download. It should now start downloading in 5 seconds. Wait for this. It should now start the download automatically. If the download did not start, then you want to click right here, which will then start the download for you. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the Steam API zip file. You want to right click on it and then click on extract all. You want to extract it to your downloads folder. It should be on it by default. We can untick this box and then click on extract. We should now have this new folder right here. Double click on it. You want to find steam_api.dll. You want to right click on it and then click on copy. Once you've copied the file, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to click on your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. Now you want to find a folder called System32. We're going to scroll down until we find System32. Double click on it. You want to paste that DLL file into this folder. So just right click on the blank space and then click on paste and then continue. It's now pasted that file into here. For the last step, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.